From Daily Forex, this is Chris taking a look at the euro and the British pound in this video. The euro tried to rally a bit during the trading session, but then rolled over at the 1.15 level. This is a massive pullback, and I think at this point what we're looking at is more problems for the euro as far as breaking out is concerned. If we do clear 115, we would also probably, by the time we get to there, we'll probably get pretty close, if not actually have it break the 200-day moving average. And that, of course, is a very bullish sign. Could open the door to 118. But I think what we're looking at here is more of the same between 115 and 112 and a half. I just don't think we're ready to break out yet. And that makes sense. We're still worried about the Brexit. Speaking of the Brexit, the British pound got hammered. And big risk-off move during the day, of course, helped. The down trending triangle has a move built into it to 122, and that still holds true. 50-day EMA has offered resistance. Short-term rallies are to be faded still.